11.4, page number 191, question number 2. Diameter of the cylinder A is 7 centimeter and the height is 14 centimeter. We are having the figure A. Now the diameter of the cylinder B, this one we are having the cylinder B is 14 centimeter and the height we are having as the 7 centimeter. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? And this is the first one. Now the second question we are having, verify by finding the volume of the both these cylinders. So second one we have to find the volume of both the cylinder. Now comes to the next one, check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has the greater surface area. So this one we are having the third question. So first one, we are going to start with the first one. With the idea we have to tell that which cylinder is having the greater volume. So we are going to write the statement here. Yes, we can say that cylinder B is greater. Why? Because this is having the greater diameter. Since radius of cylinder B is greater than the cylinder A. So this is the answer we are having for the part 1. Now the second one we have to find the volume of both the cylinders. First one, here we are going to find the volume of the A and here we are going to find the volume of the B. So I'm going to write here volume of cylinder. We have to find the volume of the cylinder and the formula we are having for the cylinder is the pi r square h. Now first of all we are going to find the radius. So the diameter of the A we are having is the 7 centimeter and the diameter of B we are having as the 14 centimeter. We are going to divide it by the 2. Now this one we are having 3.5 centimeter and this one we are having is the 7 centimeter. Now what we are having is the height. The height for the cylinder A we are having is the 14 centimeter and cylinder B we are having is the 7 centimeter. Now we'll find the volume of the cylinder. So I'm going to write here volume of cylinder. I'm going to write what we are having. The value of pi is 22/7. Radius we are having 3.5. So 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 14. The height. Now comes to this one. This one. This is the value of pi we are having. Radius we are having 7 multiplied by 7 and the height we are having as equal to the 7. Now first of all I am going to remove the decimal. This one. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. Now 5 twos are 10. 5 sevens are 35. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So we are having the values as equal to the 11 multiplied by 7 and multiplied by 7. We are having the 2 sevens here. Now 7 sevens are 49 and 49 multiplied by 11. This one we are having as equal to the 539 centimeter cube. This one we are having the volume of the cylinder A. Now comes to the B. In this one 7 is cancelled from 7. Now again 22 multiplied by 7 sevens are 49. Now 22 multiplied by 49. This one we are having as equal to the 1078 centimeter cube. So this one we are having the volume of the cylinder A and this one we are having the volume of the cylinder B. So we have verified that the cylinder B is having the greater volume. So this one we are having. Now comes to the next one. Next one we have to find the surface area. So now we are going to find the surface area. So I'm going to write here total surface area. We are going to find the area of both the cylinder. So the formula for the total surface area we are having pi r 2h plus r. This one we are having the total surface area of the cylinder. Now we are going to find for the A. So the value of pi we are having 22/7 and the radius. First of all, I am going to write the radius we are having. So the radius we are having for both of them. For the A we are having is the 7/2 centimeter and for the B we are having 14/2 centimeter. And the height for the A we are having as the 14 centimeter and for the B we are having is the 7 centimeter. Now we are going to find the total surface area. So the value of pi is 22/7. R we are having is the 7/2. Now in the bracket 2 multiplied by height we are having 14 plus radius we are having is the 7/2. Now comes to the B. So the value of pi we are having 22/7 multiplied by radius we are having 14/2. 2 multiplied by height we are having is the 7 plus the radius we are having 14 divided by 2. Now we are going to solve this one. 7 is cancelled from 7. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So this one we are having 11. Now 14 multiplied by 2 we are having as equal to the 28 plus 7 divided by 2 is the 3.5 we are having. This one we are having the total surface area which we have to find out. Now comes to the next one. In this one 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So this one we are having 22. 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. Now 7 twos are 14 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So this one we are having 14 plus 7. Now 11 multiplied by 28 plus 3 we are having is the 31.5 centimeter square. And this one we are having 22 multiplied by 14 plus 7 we are having 21 centimeter square. Now we are going to multiply this one. 11 multiplied by 31.5. This one we are having as equal to the 346.5 centimeter square. This one we are having the total surface area of the cylinder A. Now comes to the B. This one we are having is the 462 centimeter square. This one we are having the total surface area of the second one. That is the cylinder B we are having. Now we have to answer that the volume of the cylinder A we are having 539 and the total surface area of the cylinder A we are having 346.5 centimeter square. Now the volume of cylinder B we are having 1078 centimeter cube and the total surface area of the cylinder B we are having 462 centimeter square. So we have asked the question whether the cylinder with greater volume also have the greater surface area. So this one is the correct answer. So I'm going to write here, yes, cylinder with greater surface area. Yes, cylinder with the greater volume. Greater volume also have greater surface area. So with this one we have completed the question number 2. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 3.